We'll guide you through how to access the latest ChatGPT update. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chatgpt.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the user icon or your profile picture, usually located in the lower left corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From there, you should see an option labeled Settings or Account Settings. Click on that. In the Settings menu, look for a section labeled Updates or Software Updates. This is where you'll find the latest features and updates available for ChatGPT. If there's a new update, you'll see an option to enable or install it. Click on that option and follow any additional prompts that appear to complete the update process. It might take a few minutes depending on the size of the update, so be patient. Once it's done, you can refresh your browser or log out and back in to ensure the changes take effect. It's also a good idea to check if there are any new features or settings that come with the update by exploring the updated interface or looking for a What's New section. Keeping your ChatGPT updated ensures you get the best experience with the latest features and improvements. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.